Yeah, hi friends, welcome to my Excel tutorials. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video we are going to see the five available ways of summing up a column, an integer column in an Excel file. So let us start. You all be familiar with sum function. Uh, so I'm considering this column H where it is fully integers. So the usual way you all know it's a sum function. We will start with that. It is sum. When you type that, the sum appears, and when you press tab, so you can select the cell from which cell to which cell you want to sum up. So in our case it is H4 to H20. H4, then you have to press colon and then H20. So it is selecting the cells. You can see when you close and press tab, it gives the sum. So this is the first method. Second method, I'm deleting this. Okay. Second method is very simple. You just press the column where you in which column you want the sum. That's all with the cursor. You press the column, it is selecting all the values in that column, and here in the bottom it is displaying the count, sum and average. So with this you can get all these three values. So this is the second one, and the third one, it's a shortcut key, alt equal to. So this is a data table. You keep the cursor focus on any cell, I mean on the top of the cell of the column where you want to sum. Okay, and then press Control down arrow. It will take you to the last cell in that column. So we want the sum ultimately on the next, probably on the next row or next cell, right? So you keep the cursor here and then press alt equal to. So this will give you the sum. This is just a shortcut key. Alt equal to will give you the sum one, and fourth one is auto sum. Deleting this. So here also similarly you keep the cursor here, you press alt, I mean on the top row you press control down arrow to go to the bottom row. So where you want the sum or any function, you keep the cursor focus here, and then you can see the symbol, this symbol, right? This is auto sum. So when you click the arrow here, you can see the number of actions, number of functions here. So when you give, since we want sum, we are clicking sum and we are getting the sum value here. So this is one thing. And then the fifth one or the last one in our list is table design total sum. So as we said, this is a table, this is a data table. We can keep the cursor anywhere here, anywhere on the table. Okay, and then you can see the tab here, right? File, home, insert, page layout. Along with that you can see the tab table design. You click here. So usually this tab will be having all the features or options to work out in a data table. Okay, then you can see the I have already selected this, but actually this will be by default unselected. You keep the cursor here and you select this checkbox total row. So in the last column, I mean in the last row, it will apply a function, it will display you. And this is not only for one particular row, that is H column, it will be applying for all the columns in the table. You keep here, and then so this is our column, right? So you keep the cursor here, you can see all the available functions. You can do sum, anything, and also you can go here also if you want, you can do the sum. So the last approach is bit different. Why? Because all the previous approaches will be reflecting only on the specific column, but this will be applying for all the columns in the table. Okay, so hope you understood. I will list down or brief these all five approaches in the description. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you would like to know any other Excel tips or hacks. Thank you.